Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Coinbase, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get your monthly Coinbase statement? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Coinbase monthly statement anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, record keeping is really important. So maybe you're logging every month statements. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Coinbase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want a PDF version of your monthly statement, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on the blue manage account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options on the left, and you want to click on statements. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of your most recent statements right here. If you want to create a statement, you can also do that over here on the right side. So it would be a custom statement. So maybe if you want it for the entire year of 2023, you can go ahead and choose that. Also with transactions, you can choose only buy, only deposits, only withdrawal. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Coinbase statement, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.